What if the secret to better memory and sharper focus is already sitting in your kitchen? Today, we're revealing 10 herbs and one surprising mushroom that could help keep your brain young and alert. Some of these you may already have at home. We'll also share tips on how to use them safely and what to avoid when it comes to supplements. Let's jump in. First on our list at number 10, we have sage. Sage isn't just a holiday herb. It might actually be good for your brain. Research shows that sage may help improve memory and focus. Some studies even suggest it could support people with Alzheimer's, thanks to compounds that may protect brain cells and support clearer thinking. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its calming and brain-boosting effects. But a quick heads up, concentrated sage supplements have been linked to seizures in children, so always check with a healthcare provider before using it in high doses. Otherwise, enjoying it in food or tea is a gentle, safe way to give your brain a little boost. Up next at number 9, turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for curry, it's gaining serious attention for its brain-boosting benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. What makes it so interesting is its potential to protect the brain from age-related decline. Some research suggests curcumin may help clear amyloid plaques, those sticky protein clumps that are linked to Alzheimer's disease. It's also been associated with better memory, improved mood, and even quicker thinking, especially in older adults or people showing early signs of cognitive decline. To actually get the benefits, you'll want to pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That means more of the good stuff gets into your bloodstream where it can do its job. Turmeric works great in soups, stews, scrambled eggs, or even a cozy turmeric latte. But here's something to keep in mind. If you're taking blood thinners or certain medications, large doses of turmeric, especially in supplement form, might cause problems like thinning your blood or upsetting your stomach. So, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement, especially if you're managing a health condition. In small amounts, though, this golden powder could be one of the simplest ways to help keep your brain healthy, focused, and sharp. Number 8. Ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine, and for good reason. Ginkgo biloba may help boost blood flow to the brain, which could support memory, focus, and even ease some symptoms of dementia. A few studies suggest it might slow cognitive decline in people with mild dementia, especially when taken consistently over time. That said, ginkgo can thin the blood, so if you're taking medications or have a bleeding risk, definitely check in with your doctor before adding it to your routine. Number 7. Ashwagandha. This calming herb has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Ashwagandha is what's known as an adaptogen, which means it helps your body handle stress more effectively. And when stress is under control, your brain benefits too. Some studies suggest ashwagandha may support memory, focus, and even protect against the buildup of damaging plaques in the brain linked to cognitive decline. However, it's not for everyone. If you have thyroid issues, liver concerns, autoimmune conditions, or hormone-sensitive problems, it's best to steer clear. It's also not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding, so always talk to your doctor before trying it. Number 6. Ginseng. Ginseng has long been used as a natural remedy to boost memory and keep the brain sharp, especially as we get older. Its key compounds, called ginsenosides, are thought to reduce inflammation and protect brain cells from damage. In fact, some studies have compared its benefits to those of certain memory-enhancing medications. It may not be a miracle cure, but it's definitely earned its reputation as a brain-boosting herb. Just a heads up, ginseng can affect blood pressure and may interact with medications like blood thinners. If you're on prescription meds, check in with your doctor before adding it to your routine. We're halfway through the list. If you're learning something new or finding this helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the rest of our brain-boosting lineup. Let's keep going. Number 5. Gotu Kola. You might not hear about this one as often, but Gotu Kola has been used for centuries to support brain health and mental clarity. It's packed with compounds that may protect brain cells from oxidative stress, the kind that's linked to memory problems as we age. Some small studies have also suggested it could help boost working memory and even lift your mood. Gotu Kola usually comes in teas or capsules. Just make sure to follow the recommended dosage. Or, better yet, ask your healthcare provider what's right for you. Number 4. Lemon Balm. Lemon balm isn't just a relaxing bedtime tea. It may also help your brain stay sharp. This gentle herb, part of the mint family, contains compounds like rosmarinic acid that have been studied for their calming and neuroprotective effects. Research suggests it may improve mood, reduce anxiety, and even support memory and focus, especially in older adults or those with early cognitive changes. Some studies have found that taking lemon balm extract can improve alertness and memory performance, particularly under stress. That makes it a great option if you're looking to stay mentally clear while also feeling calm. It's generally well tolerated, but like all herbs, it's not for everyone. If you're on thyroid medications or sedatives, it's best to talk to your healthcare provider before using lemon balm regularly, just to be safe. Number 3. Bacopa Monnieri, Brahmi. Bacopa has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine as a natural memory booster, and modern science is starting to catch up. This powerful little herb may enhance memory, sharpen focus, and reduce brain fog. Researchers believe it works by increasing levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's essential for learning and mental clarity. The effects aren't instant. It's something that builds over time with consistent use. Think of it as brain nourishment, not a quick fix. As for safety, Bacopa is generally well tolerated, but it can cause digestive upset or a bit of fatigue in some people. Starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it can help your body adjust. And as always, check with your healthcare provider, especially if you're on other medications. Number 2. Lion's mane mushroom. This unusual, shaggy-looking mushroom is gaining popularity for a reason. It's not just a food. It's a powerful natural brain booster. Lion's mane contains unique compounds that may stimulate the growth of new brain cells and support nerve repair. Early research suggests it can improve focus, mental clarity, and even help with mild cognitive decline. It's available in different forms: capsules, powders, or even fresh if you like to cook. Just start slow, because while it's generally well tolerated, a few people report feeling dizzy, tired, or slightly nauseous. Like with any supplement, it's smart to listen to your body and check in with your doctor if you're unsure. Number 1. Saffron. It might surprise you, but the world's most expensive spice isn't just for fancy dishes. It could also be a powerful brain supporter. Studies show that saffron can help improve memory, mental performance, and even mood, particularly in people with mild Alzheimer's. In fact, some clinical trials found saffron worked just as well as certain memory medications, without the harsh side effects. Because saffron is so potent, a little goes a long way. But like any supplement, it's best used in moderation. If you have any health conditions or take medication, it's always smart to check with your doctor first. So, which of these herbs or natural remedies have you tried? Or are you thinking of trying? Do you prefer getting your nutrients from food, teas, or supplements? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health tips. You can now support our channel directly with super thanks. Just click the 3 dots below the video and you'll find the super thanks button. And don't forget to check out our official merch linked in the description. It helps us keep creating valuable, trustworthy content just for you. Thanks for watching. Take care of your mind. It's the most powerful tool you have.